Don't worry.
The gas right there, the gas right there, the gas right there.
These niggas ain't really about it. I swear they just talk a lot. I'm in the field with the soldiers. You want war, we can shoot it out. All of my niggas on go. All of my niggas want smoke. Don't fall out by bitches or money, nigga. All we do is stick to the code. These niggas ain't really about it. I swear they just talk a lot. I'm in the field with the soldiers. You want war, we can shoot it out. All of my niggas on go. All of my niggas want smoke. Don't fall out by bitches or money, nigga. All we do is stick to the code.
Don't act like you know me, nigga. We been here before. We playing for keeps, homie. You should already know.
No Ransom Battle League. We got luck of the draw. We gonna let these next two battlers introduce themselves. What we got to the right?
Y'all already know what's shaking, baby. Dominance, nigga. We all dominant. Y'all know what the fuck time it is, nigga. Mellodz. That's it.
Okay, and to the left.
Your boy Slime Time, Prom Time, My Time. If you ain't here, you ain't live.
It's a whole lot of no ransom shit going on. But he came the farthest. So
No point talking to me, man. I started off.
go ahead then. Turn it.
Let's go!
I said so it's clear that niggas still got the game twisted. Cause the boy Million came up, reached and earned my spot like the game twister, Trills. And now Cap booked me another nigga to kill. So boy, let's keep it a buck, bitch. From here on, your life in a box. You're not safe, money. The 8 dumping. And nigga, the other hand on the foe like 820. So I said, so cut stupid bitch. That's when I arm my stretch. Press. Till the clip eject like I'm switching movies. Dog for you? I said dog for you? That means heaven's gate. So bitch, get good with God. Before I let the metal spray. Blah! Well now God's near him like better days. Dog my 38. Time to cook, man.
Oh shit.
I said, dog my 38. Don't discriminate, cause nigga, you'll be the first to go. Your picture be the last down like 3rd and 8. Fuck nigga. What?
Talk that shit.
What you talking about? I said fuck nigga, who gassed it? Well fuck it nigga, I'm still blasting my body, soul, like he won with God. But this 9, I said but this what? I said what? The fuck he talking about? The fuck he talking about? I said but this, listen, I said but this 9, one with I, and I with it. Your life the mission, face shot, the case dropped like he acquitted. Who had him winning? The fuck you talking about, nigga? I said who had him winning? I said who had him winning? Well, for the wrong choice, I'm gripping pounds, then dumping rounds like a coin dispenser. So why challenge me? I said, so why challenge me, dog? You know I'm armed already with the snub. Hold up. I said, why challenge me, dog? You know I'm armed already with the snub on me. Now, slimes are under the nose like allergies, my nigga. My niggas. This was a fatality. The moment my pen touched the pad, dude, and in the building. Just some shit I wanted to add to. Bah! One to the top. It twisted his thoughts like bad news. I'm on go. I said, what? I said I'm on go. I said I'm on go. The do slow, like I'm 8-town reppin'. Peace up, slime down. Now you crip for all that flexing, nigga. The fuck? So whoever had this nigga winning, I said whoever had this nigga winning, it's a rap for that. Cause now you a dead nigga. They can put big facts on that. Time, nigga.
Okay. Alright, good shit. What you gonna do?
I said, fuck that nigga Lucky Luciano. Well, I'ma battle a nigga for my people's name. Yeah, I've been on my low-key shit, on my little training, boxing. But one thing I learned, you pull my card, you get dealt these hands. So what's poppin', Millie's Mojo Jojo. Cause when this at your dome, we gonna be seeing all sides of your brain. I said Mojo Jojo. When this at your dome, it's gonna be seeing all sides of his brains. It's sad, damn, Saddam. But who's saying when a nigga? I said nigga. I said, but who's saying when a nickel is sitting in the bottom of the pocket like loose change? The two bang, 1 minute is silent, the other minute is clapping. Shit be having mood swings. I said blah. The mad got maggot all on his shit. This a sneak peek. It came with special features. I extended the clip. Willy Wonka off the gate. I came with a steak, but then I mentioned this. What a shot! I said, but did I mention this? That my boy came with a custom-made 40. Shit got me feeling like LeVar Ball. Son came with an expensive kick. Now my bitch. I said, now my bitch, she'll get you dressed up. I said, now my bitch, she'll get you dressed up. Otherwise, butt up, buttoned up. No, otherwise, cut up. My Taylor Swift, Hakeem, Elijah Wong with the death. Cause this time I hawk and bang on the cave. What you talking about? Go, keep going. What you talking about? Yeah, nigga, yeah. Fuck you talking about? I put his hands in his mouth. Ass whoopings? I don't mind, I've been handing them out. Slime time, prime time. Your boy Stone Cold. I'll have a fan put a can in your mouth. Call me a pirate. Cause I'm cutting up when the cannon is out. Yeah. Come on, man. There's a lot of shit. There's a lot of shit that really humbled me. And there's a lot of battle rap shit that been going on that disappointed me. But that ain't my shit. Cause I'm on some tricycle shit. Two-wheel to roll on the one in front of me. No. Go ahead, Chad.
Hold it down, keep going.
I'm two-wheeled to roll on the one in front of me, no bicycle shit. I'm off the roof and I'm cold. You get stabbed in the head if you point to me. Now come on, Millie, you crazy, but it's facts. I've been looking for soda. That's cause I'm strapped in. I got that carbonated. You about to get incubated. That's in a glass box with everything amputated. Come on. Is you 5%er, Muslim or Islam? Nigga, I don't care what you packing. Cause I'ma drop all your weapons when I'm dropping from this arm. Well, you ain't done? Well, welcome. It's back like the Mace song, but I don't care. That was some freestyle shit. But the fifth kicking. Now I'm back on it. Wait, hold on, fuck it. I said the fifth kicking. Your face remind me of big pussy. Open that lip and the kid fisting. Not time.